When it comes to session replay software, the right question to ask is not which is the best solution, but which is the best solution for your specific use case. In this video, we have identified 4 core use cases for session replay tools, and we're hoping that this will help you find a solution that actually fits your needs. So the first scenario is UI and UX. The second one is customer support. The third scenario is digital experience, and the fourth scenario is marketing. Let's start with UI and UX. When is that relevant? In a UI UX use case, you would be using session replay tools when it comes to understanding customer interactions or user interactions with the interface of your product. It can be incredibly helpful for UI and UX designers, for instance, to know how users are engaging with the UI, when it looks like they're confused or lost, or for instance, when they click on elements that aren't clickable but perhaps look like because of the design. And all of those scenarios, super important to have that kind of visual feedback. The second use case, it's customer support. That's exactly what Fulvio was built for. And in this case, the moment a customer reaches out on a live chat or by submitting a support request, instead of having to ask a lot of questions, ask for screenshots, or try to guess where the user was or what they were trying to do, you can cut all of that time wasted doing that by simply replaying what happened. So you can replay the most recent session, not the whole thing, just jump straight to pre-detected errors and events. And for instance, look into console data. If a form submission went wrong, that's recorded by the browser, and the customer support agent can see that in seconds instead of having to figure that out without access to what happened in the session. The third scenario is digital experience. So in this bucket, the target audience are usually product teams, and session replay tools can help product teams understand at a very top level how customers are using the product, what features are most used and how, and basically having that visual data combined with other signals that are usually recorded by these solutions. And the fourth scenario is marketing, so often used for conversion rate optimization. For instance, funnel analysis, where are users dropping off, at which step and why. And then through session replays, that can help with the why, understanding if there is something that can be done differently, either from a UI perspective or even just from a conceptual perspective in terms of the funnel. And the same applies for landing pages or anything else that marketing teams and conversion rate optimization teams are working with. One thought, so as said at the beginning of the video, very important to understand the use case, understand who in your team is going to work with the tool and trying to accomplish what exactly. And then from there, narrow it down to solutions that are specifically built with that use case. We also have an industry landscape overview that you can find linked right here. It can also help you navigate the space with examples of companies that fall into different use cases. Thank you, and I hope to see you all in our next video.